The bust of John Brown, it's not just art, but it's history. I needed to do everything I could to be able to get this important object conserved and on view. In the late 1940s, the bust suffered a fall and had lost his nose and part of his eyebrow. And there was a rust stain on his chest from likely being pushed up against a water pipe for many years. And somebody had drawn eyeballs on him in blue ballpoint ink. Sculpture conservator Rika Smith McNally undertook the cleaning. She tried out various mixtures and cleaning recipes and found one that works the best, and delivered the bust back to Tufts, bright white and looking beautiful. And so at that point, we decided to restore the nose and the eyebrow, and thought that the best way to do that would be to utilize 3D scanning, which is kind of an exciting way. So we borrowed a plaster copy of the bust that's at the Boston Athenaeum, and Sean O'Reilly from the 3D Printsmith came and he did a scan of the negative area of our bust, where the nose should be, and he did a scan of the nose on the bust from the Boston Athenaeum. And he was able to make those two scans join into one 3D model of the nose that would fit our bust. Sean was able to print that in blue plastic. From that, Bob Shore of the Skylight Studios made a mold that could be cast with a plaster that simulates marble. It's a wonderful sculpture, and it captures this man. But it's also telling the story of something that happened here on this campus. The bust of John Brown belongs here. This is Tufts history.